right now. All right, we got all the concrete done. Now, time to set the walls.
Should we build them first?
Sure.
Let's build the walls and then let's stand them up.
We got all the concrete done. Now it's time to build the walls and stand them up.
It's cold.
It's cold.
Mike, what do you think about building walls in the wintertime?
Sucks.
What this is actually for the film. All right.
Hey Chad, is this either the right LVL or the right length of these 2x6s? It just looks like it's too big. Doesn't want to fit in there.
Suspenseful music starting right now. Dun dun dun.
It's like
Wait. Pull that back out. Pull that back out. This is going to be the most epic shot right through the wall. Okay, here we go. Now act like nothing's even happening. Natural. Perfect. Oh, that was excellent. Oh, it looks so good.
all right, we're done building the walls. We're going to stand them and set the LVL.
Let's do this. What do you think, Ty? Oh, dude, he just did it by himself. Look at that man. Hey, why don't you get the other one, Ty? Put it back down. I didn't get that. And use proper posture.
This is proper posture.
Oh, I'm just giving you, I didn't know if you did or didn't. I'm just, okay, here we go. Proper posture. Here we go. Look at that. Oh, man, excellent.
You want to nail it, Nate?
Absolutely.
Thanks.
Now we can't use it.
This one's definitely going online.
What do we do today?
That.
That, all I
What's
gotta do
that?
is just turn it.
What were you and Ty doing today?
Mostly arguing with each other. We fought, hit each other a couple times.
How many times did Ty nail too close to the edge?
There were a few. There was one time where he put a nail through a board that almost went through my head.
Ooh.
You remember that one?
All right, let's go.
So what was the starting process? We
Don't even remember.
laid out some
We
plates.
spent about 6 hours at the rest. I'm out. Sorry, I can't talk. We got the walls built, we got them stood up, and we got them braced. That's the most excited I've been all day.
Oh, that's better than hot, dude.